Hey guys, it's Key and it's Key Live Trading. Thanks for tuning into another video. So we're gonna be doing our market recap, and yes, I'm a little bit upset, a little bit frustrated because today I'm down 1,300. And yes, this is a demo account, but I'm treating this demo account like it's real cash because I still have that emotion right now where I'm upset. So I'm not looking at it like, okay, it's a demo account and it's whatever, it can reset or whatever the case may be. I'm not looking at it that way, right? And make this video show you, well, once you see the recap, and you can watch the live video to show you one of the reason why you should be trading demo before you put real life cash in the actual market, right? Yes, emotion kicked in, and we're gonna discuss what happened, why it happened, and why am I down this much. All right. Also, please like, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you can be notified when I drop videos like these, like my market recap, and when I'm trading live, so you can get an inside or upfront view of how I actually trade and manage risk and all that good stuff, right? So, me doing this demo to kind of like expound a little bit is to really just like I'm stretching my mental muscle right now. So I'm preparing myself. This is the warm up, getting ready for when I actually put some real life cash in the market and actually trade, right? So right now, that's why I'm so consistent or looking to be consistent with the demo account. So I'm ready and prepared for when the NBA or the finals happen, right? So let's tap in and let's look at the chart. Here we are. I traded one stock only, and that was MLTX, right? So during pre-market prep, and this is why I'm really upset, right? I looked at the pre-market and I looked at the structure, or you know price action. Sorry. I was looking at price action. I looked at the news and I seen the news, and like the news don't seem like anything amazing. It was talking about some FDA news where, let's see if I can pop it up. So the news was it said Moon Lake. Then it says she arrives because FDA aligned to file. Hold on, why is it not popping? Actually, let's click this one. This is the one I actually saw right here. They announced positive. What's not popping up? Okay, it announced positive outcome from Type B meeting with U.S. FDA. This is nothing like that was so like vague, and it was nothing to really like be excited about. I think the idea of FDA is why the price went up so high, right? So I realized that, and I told myself, when the market open, I'll wait for a setup, and if I see the setup to short, I'll short it, and then potentially make profit. And I did the total exact opposite of what my thought process was in terms of doing the what you call it, shorting. And that's one of the reasons why I'm really pissed off. It would be different if I would have said, okay, I'm gonna actually buy and then lose. Then I'll be okay. I'll be fine because I already had that, like, wired in my head that I was gonna actually buy. But the fact that I said I was gonna actually short the stock before the market even opened, and I did the total opposite, that's why I'm pissed off. So when I took the first trade and then I lost, I took the loss. I'm like, in my head, I'm like, why did I do that? I just told myself I was gonna short it, and I did the total opposite. And if you watch the live, you'll see that in 4K. You will see the replay of me going through that process. And I did state that I was a little bit upset in terms of not doing what I said I was gonna do. And then basically I kind of semi revenge trade just a little bit, not really, because that's not how it felt at the time. It didn't feel like revenge trading. I was trying to get a dip buy, which the stock was pushing down super strong, and it went against me. Then I lost a little bit more. Then I started holding a little bit longer than I was supposed to, and then we ended up with that $1,300 loss on the day. And right here, I'm just being transparent. I still feel the emotion of being a little bit upset because, like I said, I'm treating this like an actual real demo account. I mean, not demo account. Real, obviously, it's a demo account, but I'm treating this like it's a real live cash account, right? And let me see. I think I was trying to get a dip buy around this range right here because we were at a key area, but the selling pressure was a little bit stronger than the buying pressure. And obviously the other people seen that, okay, this news wasn't really that important, so more likely it's gonna go down, right? And it just sucks that I didn't follow my intuition, my pre-market analysis, and it is what it is. Tomorrow, all I could do is just tomorrow come with a different attitude and just learn from the mistakes that I made from these moments, and then fix them so when I actually get the cash to put into my brokerage account, these situations are more than likely not to happen, right? And to be honest, let's get a full screen view of my face. To be honest, these are things that happen to all traders. You know, I'm not the only person that this happened to. The motion kicks in from time to time. It's just that sometimes you have to be able to lock it in as tight as possible. Because even some of the traders that I watch, they be losing a lot of money, and they will tell you like the emotion kicked in, the revenge trade kick in. So this is totally normal. And if you're a real trader, you understand this is totally normal. It's just that now we have to be able to rebuild and just stay focused the next time we come back in the market to actually trade. All right. So I'm gonna call it a day for now. Tomorrow I'll be a little bit more prepared, and I will be a little bit more focused and do what I said I'm gonna do, because I'd rather lose money doing what I said I was gonna do versus doing something I didn't say I was gonna do. Because now you feel like a loser, not in a bad way, but like I was gonna use a different word, but you feel bad because it's like, yo, I was thinking to do this before and it worked out exactly how I planned it, but I did the total opposite, so I lost. But it is what it is. I'm gonna get back up, back on the horse, and then we're gonna show up tomorrow and trade. So that's the end of the recap. Still a little bit upset. I want to cry. No, I'm not. I don't want to cry, but I do feel a little bit bad about the trade. But anyway, enough of the ranting or ramping. Well, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace.